Hi everyone, what's up? I'm Anubha and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am going to be sharing a summer sweat-proof, transfer-proof and very lightweight makeup which is perfect for oily skin. Now I have made sure that I do not use a gazillion steps in this makeup process, and this is something which is very basic that anyone can do, and by following all these steps your makeup will just set and not budge. And I am also going to be showing a wear test in the end, so make sure you watch the entire video. So if you guys are excited and want to know how I do my summer sweat proof makeup, then let's begin. So our first step today is going to be skin icing. It is basically applying ice on the skin, and doing so it has so many benefits. Applying ice is an instant way to give your face a fresh and dewy look. It not only prepares your skin for makeup but also improves blood circulation, and it gives your face a very healthy glow. Skin icing is also known to reduce large pores and minimizes the production of excess oil. Now rubbing an ice cube on your face before you begin applying your makeup helps the makeup last longer, and this technique is followed by many makeup artists across the world. It also helps to reduce oiliness, blemishes, acne, swelling and redness on your face, and this skin icing process is so relaxing. You can even do this anytime during the day or just before you go to bed to relax yourself. And I also like to put this on my eyes sometimes, and it not only reduces puffiness on my eyes but also refreshes them. For step number 2, we would be applying moisturizer on our skin. So all my oily skin girls, always remember to choose an oil-free, gel-based or a mattifying moisturizer. Having properly hydrated skin can help prevent overproduction of oil in your skin. And even if your skin is oily, it needs a moisturizer, because when your skin is hydrated, even makeup looks healthy. Otherwise, your makeup might just look dull and ashy. Our third step is going to be using a sunscreen. Now you can either use a moisturizer that has SPF, otherwise it's all about using a sunscreen, because stepping out of your house without having sun protection is the most horrific thing you can do to your skin. And always make sure to use a non-oily, non-greasy sunscreen, and this one by St.Botanica is literally my favorite. It's super duper light on the skin and perfect for my oily skin. Now adding a primer might seem like an additional step after all the skin prepping that we did, but primer is so important, guys. Always remember, it all comes down to how you prep your skin and use products that help to make your makeup last longer. Primer is literally an amazing product that helps to keep your shine in check all day, and it also helps to minimize the appearance of pores, and it makes sure that your makeup lasts even more longer. For our next step, we are going to be spot concealing, and here I am using concealer on just certain areas of my face. If you want, you can also apply a foundation as well. And to blend this concealer, I am going to be using a damp beauty blender. Now beauty blender is something which gives you a very flawless and natural look, and because sponges have the ability to soak up excess product from your skin, it makes sure that your makeup doesn't look cakey, and it gives a very natural airbrush kind of look to your makeup. But the only problem with using a beauty blender is that it is a bit time consuming, so if you want, you can definitely use makeup brushes as well. For our next step, we are going to be using a damp beauty blender on the powder and pressing it on our skin. Now this technique is something which really helps in making sure that your base makeup lasts longer than usual, and it also makes sure that the powder you are using does not give you a cakey look. And if you are someone with oily skin, setting your makeup with powder is very important. No matter even if you're just spot concealing, it is so important to set your face with powder. Now to set your base makeup, it is extremely important that you use a matte finish setting spray, and after that you can air dry it and set it with a beauty blender. It's extremely important again to dab it with a sponge so that everything on your face is nicely set. To add some color to my skin, I am going to be using a blush. Now this one is a very natural looking nude blush with slight pink tones to it, and this one is matte in texture, which makes it absolutely summer friendly and appropriate for my oily skin as well. Now this is an optional step, but lately I have been loving using bronzers on my skin because it adds dimension to your face and also adds some warmth. And bronzer, just like blush, is another way to make your skin look very healthy. Otherwise your makeup might just look flat. Now again, a completely optional step, but I am going to be using a stick highlighter just above my cheekbones, that too very mildly. And if you use one, make sure it's very natural looking and gives a glow from within kind of look. You can also set your highlighter with your Damn Beauty blender to give it a more skin-like finish. Now I am using the same bronzer which I used on my face and basically preparing my eyelids so that they don't look empty. So just using some bronzer on my crease and also my entire eyelid with a fluffy blending brush. It's very important to use long-lasting makeup products even for the eyes, and I am using a waterproof, very long-lasting mascara, and always make sure guys to use a waterproof mascara in the summer season. It's time now to fill in the eyebrows, and I always like well-groomed, nicely filled in eyebrows, and here I am just doing that, nothing too much. And then I am setting my hair with a clear mascara so that they stay in place all day long. Now for the lips, you can either go for a lip tint, a tinted lip balm, lip liner, a long-lasting matte liquid lipstick, basically anything that you prefer or you are comfortable using. And then at the end, just take a tissue paper to wipe off all the excess lipstick. Then I am using a setting mist in the end to seal all the makeup in place and dabbing it again with my beauty sponge. And now it's time for the wear test. As you can see, I am dabbing this tissue on my skin and you can clearly see there is no excess product on the tissue. This only goes on to show that the makeup has so nicely set on my skin. It was only possible because of the products we used in the beginning and also throughout the entire process to make sure that our makeup lasts longer, from hydrating our skin using moisturizers and sunscreen, skin icing using primers, makeup finishing mist, setting sprays and everything. And using all of these products, it makes sure that your makeup is very long lasting, and I could literally feel that my makeup is so lightweight on my skin. So if you guys liked this video, please make sure that you give it a thumbs up. Also try this out and let me know if it works for you guys, and don't forget to share this video with all your friends, people who are struggling to make their makeup last longer on their skin. And if you still are not subscribed to my channel, please make sure that you do, and it would mean so much to me. And I'll see you guys super soon in my next one. Bye.